Sending your first text message with easy texting. Before you start sending engaging and effective text campaigns, first you'll want to send a test message. Select New Message in the top left of your dashboard, and then choose Send Group Text. Welcome to your messaging page. Start by entering your mobile phone number or the mobile number you wish to send a test message to in the To field. We recommend you add your company name to Messages in the Company Name field to alert users as to who is sending the message. Now, compose your first message. You can add emojis, a trackable link, upload media from your computer, or attach a fully customizable image from our image library, powered by Shutterstock. Click the iCard in the top right to learn even more. You'll also notice that we've already appended the required by law stop-to-end copy to your message. That's our Safe Stop feature, which you can explore here. Finally, schedule your text to be sent now or at a later time. And when you're ready to go, click Review Message. If everything looks good, click Send Message. A notification will be displayed ensuring your message was sent. Replies are routed to your inbox, where you can reply by simply tapping on the message, typing your reply, and clicking Send. Congratulations! You've now officially sent your first text message using easy texting. If you have any questions, please refer to our help docs. Now explore everything easy texting has to offer, including a delivery reports feature, mass uploading your contacts, and our powerful list of integrations with leading software companies like Constant Contact, HubSpot, MailChimp, and Zapier.